This fantastic collection of digital download wall arts, which are actually sold via a PDF, are making currently approximately $1,876 per month, which equates to around $22,512 per year. And that is just one listing, guys. Now, I'm going to show you with the power of Claude how to create something like this really quickly. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. So check this out. Now, guys, I'm on Etsy, the biggest platform in the world for selling digital products. Millions of people come on this platform to buy digital products and PDFs just like this. Now, what you see on my screen is you see a collection of beautiful landscape designs, nature, if you like, prints, which are actually digital downloads. They're really nice. And actually, with the power of Claude, it's going to help me produce something like these beautiful prints. So check this out. Now, the first thing that I always urge everyone to do is to make sure that they hook up Claude to their Chrome browser. You can see it here at the top. It's quite simple. Just go to Google and ask for Chrome extensions, and you can actually put it on your Chrome extension. And the reason why I like to do this is because it actually helps to analyze the listings, and it can give you some tips and advice about how to improve on the designs. Now, it's always a good idea to find something that's already selling, already working well, and that's a bestseller, and then find ways to improve on it. And Claude can do that for you. Now, you definitely need a subscription to be able to do this, so make sure that you do that. But if I click on Claude, I can actually ask it anything. I can say something like, how can I improve on this fantastic collection of landscape digital downloads? Now, I always like to do this first to be able to see how I can improve on it. And remember, stay right to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I use Claude to help create these kind of designs really quickly. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, at the moment, you can see that Claude likes to do a thorough analysis. It's already taking screenshots and it's already looking through all the data. And in fact, it's already found me an opportunity. It's already gone through exactly what it likes about this listing and why it's helping it sell, such as these beautiful mock-ups, the gallery of mock-ups. But it did find some opportunities to actually make it better, such as looking at the title and the product description and so on. Now, let's say I'm ready to actually create these and have these ready for a customer. So let me show you now how Claude can help me do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of one of those prints that are selling really well, like you can see here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plus sign to add the image. Now the image will be in my folder under screenshots. So I'll just go to the screenshot and then click to open. Now you're going to see it appear here on the side, and I'm going to say use this as inspiration. So I'm going to ask to use the image just as inspiration. Remember, we want to create our own version. Use this as inspiration to create an original version of this image. All right, so we're trying to create our own original version, but obviously be inspired by this. Create the prompt for this. So what's going to happen is that Claude is going to create a prompt, a string of words that I'm going to use to actually upload on another AI platform, which will help create a design or a landscape image something like this. Now, it's always important to go with something that's working. And this is why I like to look at these kind of bestsellers, because they are proven to work, they are proven to sell. Don't try to go something that you think is going to work. Always go for something that you know works. Now, what it's done is actually created a fantastic, very detailed prompt full of those words that can help create something like this. And you can see it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to take it into my AI design platform, right? So check this out. Okay, guys, so I'm in Kittl. Kittl is my go-to AI design and editing platform. It's absolutely fantastic, and I definitely do recommend it. So do try it out. The link is below, and you can also get 25% off all the plans using my promo code. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste the prompt into my box. I'm going to use something called Nano Banana Pro K because it has realistic looking images. I can also upload my image again just as a reference point, which might help it. Just to kind of sort of add to it. So you can see I've added it and I've got this really detailed prompt that Claude created for me. I'm using Nano Banana, which is an AI design model, which is fantastic. And Kittl has many different design models. They're all in here from ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Seedream, Ideogram, Flux, and others. Now I'm going to click generate. So now it's going to be generating the image. This image, because it's going to be pretty photorealistic, should take around 2 minutes or so. Okay, guys, so you can see right now the actual design is created. Now, let me just bring you in the one that we've uploaded, right? Okay, so what I've done is I have pasted obviously the prompt, if you like, or the string of words here into Kittl, and it has different types of AI design models which I can use. I want to go with many different ones which I can use. For example, Nano Banana 2K, Flux, Seedream, and many others, to be honest with you. So let me go with something like Nano Banana, which is this one, Pro 4K, because it has those realistic images. And then I'm just going to click generate. It should take about 2 minutes. Okay, so look, using the power of reverse engineering, guys, we have created a design that has a similar feel to the one that's created. However, it's completely original in design. Now, you can see the comparison to when you put the one that was used as a part of the screenshot compared to the one that we created. So there are characteristics. However, it's a completely new and original design, but it would appeal to the same market that really liked the example that we've shown. And this is what I love about Claude and about creating designs through AI, is that you're able to create completely original images, designs to sell on Etsy. Now, the next part is, what is it? How do we actually sell it as a PDF? Well, let me explain. So what you would actually do is you would upload the images onto your Google Drive, right? So I'm going to show you the process. Okay, so just have a look. You can see me on Google, and you can see when I click onto my email, you can see next to it, you can see these 9 dots. When you go to the 9 dots, you can then click on Drive, okay? Do that first. Then what you need to do is you need to actually create a folder. So if you go to New, click New, and then go to New Folder here. Once you created a folder, then you can actually drop your design in here. Okay, so I'm just going to drop the design in there. Now that I've dropped it in, it's going to upload. And then you can see that it's uploaded, right? So my design is in here. Now, what you would do then is to give people access to your designs. You need to give them access to the folder that your designs are in, and then you'd have to put that link onto a PDF. So what you'd do is you'd actually go to the folder. So AJ is my folder, and then I'm going to go to the 3 dots, go to share, and then copy link, right? Quite easily. Now, what you do is you create a document, and then in essence, I'm just going to simplify things. You would paste the link in there. And then this would be the document or the PDF that you would create that you upload on Etsy. And they literally click the link and they have access to all the designs through this link. It's as simple as that, guys. I hope that made sense. And that's how you create digital downloads worth over $22,000 per annum and sell it through a PDF on Etsy. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.